So welcome to a new video. This time we're going to repaint this bike because the owner he don't like the design. So for now I will remove the fairings and then we will change the color. So I will show you the design, how the bike is at the moment. Just if you know the theme of the bike, just let me know, because we didn't figure it out. If you like it, I understand you can like it, but the owner he don't like it, so we will change everything. So now I will make a video how I will remove the fairings. I got my toolbox ready, so let's start. The fairings are painted. Very nice color of red with the metallic white. And now I will be putting it back on the bike. So I will make the video in the time lapse. They put all the bike parts together and put it on the bike. So if you like these type of videos, just let me know in the comments, and I will try to make a video of every bike that I'm working on. final result of the painted custom airbrush Hayabusa, and it has now the new paint and it looks amazing. I'll show you in the light the flakes, the candy red. So the bike looks amazing. Only the seat, put some fuel in it, then it's ready for the customer. So back to another job.